In this video, we're going to be discussing how you can use Chat GPT to come up with business ideas for your new project. And then hopefully going forward, we can use Chat GPT to build the actual idea into a finalized product. If you enjoy this kind of content, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So let's jump into it and look at how we can use Chat GPT to create our own business ideas. The first step in doing this is visiting the Chat GPT dashboard and opening up a new chat. Once we have our new chat window open, we will create a short brief to give some context to what it is we are wanting to achieve. For the purpose of this video, we want to create a list of ideas that are easily automated, and we can use AI tools to do the heavy lifting of creating that business or that project. So I want ChatGPT to give us a list of 50 business ideas and a 20 to 30 word description of what makes that a good idea. So bear in mind that these ideas have to be automated, and they will use AI tools like ChatGPT to complete the work that is required for them. So already we're getting a list of different ideas, and it's running through this list really quickly. So we've got a lot of different ideas here that is being presented to us. We will go back and look at this a little bit more closely once it has finished the output. One of the nice things about using AI to come up with ideas is that it challenges us to look at different potential business ideas that we wouldn't possibly come up with by ourselves. So it gives us a unique perspective on various types of businesses that we can start. So it has cut off at 47. I did ask it just to continue, and now we've got the final 50 results presented to us. So let's go back up to the top and look at some of these ideas. So we have a chatbot building service, digital marketing agency, automated financial advisor, AI-powered content creation, which I think is actually quite a good one, virtual interior designer, languages, we have appointment scheduling, virtual event platform, inventory management, AI-powered legal research, e-commerce, tutoring services, fraud detection, virtual personal assistants. There are really lots and lots of ideas here. Then once you have the idea that you want to continue with, you can build a website for it, and you can use ChatGPT to build out the actual idea. And if you have an idea that you want to continue with, then you can use a service like Hostinger. Hostinger is a great option if you want to register a domain name, set up a website with email address. If you want to do that, then make sure to check out the coupon code DavidB, which will give you a discount at the checkout when you're purchasing hosting. I'll include a link to that in the video description below. It is a very affordable way to get up and running with a website and web hosting. And there are various ways to make payment once you're on the checkout. So make sure to use the coupon code if you want to save some money on web hosting with Hostinger. Going back over to ChatGPT again, the next step I want to make is using ChatGPT to tell me what the best ideas are from this list. Obviously, we do not want to build all 50 ideas. We want to filter this list down to just a few potential ideas. And then from that final list that we have, we can select the idea that is most interesting to us, since we do want to pick an idea that we can actually continue with for the long term. Some ideas that we're getting here from ChatGPT is a chatbot building service, a language learning platform, a virtual interior designer, an AI-powered content creation tool, a virtual mental health counseling service. So all of these are very good ideas. I think some of them are already being executed, like the interior designer. There is some tools out there already for this now that are being generated the last couple of years. We also have chatbot building service. I think this is pretty popular over this past few years. So I wouldn't really want to do that again. There are a few different ideas here that I think have potential. I'm going to pick out one individual idea and continue with that. So in this case, I'm going to select the AI-powered content creation tool. So this will be a platform that allows us to create different high-quality content for blogs or social media channels. Let's ask ChatGPT what will our distribution channel be. This will give us an idea of how we can reach our target customers. And some of the suggestions are social media advertising, content marketing, influencer marketing, referral marketing, so setting up a referral reward scheme, and email marketing. So there are a number of different ideas here, and I think these are fairly standard ideas if you were launching a business, no matter what that business is anyway. Now that we have a list of ideas to reach our target customer, let's consider some ideas about how we will make money from this business idea. So let's ask Chat GPT how we can monetize this service. The first idea it gives us is for a subscription-based model, and that would be kind of the standard I would expect for this. So it would be a recurring revenue model. We can also use a pay-per-use model or a commission-based model, and there's also customized pricing for different packages, premium features if you want to have possibly a free plan and a premium plan, and then upselling, editing, proofreading, content optimization, etc. So there are a number of different strategies here that we can use for this. The next thing we need is a business name or a website name for this project. So we've got 10 results here given to us by ChatGPT, but we really need to consider what makes a good name. The first suggestion is brand identity, so a name that is easily recognized. Uniqueness, so a name that stands out, is distinguishable, it's easy to remember. Domain name availability is another big one. Legal considerations and feedback from other users or friends, family, etc. So going back to this list, I think one of the key things here is really just getting a name that's available to begin with. There are some free tools out there that we can use to find a name that is available. So I'm going to copy one of these names and I'm going to use a service called NameCheck. Now it's missing the E and the C in the domain name, but I'll include a link to this in the video description. But it will go ahead and give you a list of names around that search query, and it will also check usernames on different social media platforms. So this can be a very useful way to find what names are available. In the case of our imaginary business idea, we are going to continue this search until we find a good domain name. One thing I do like about using ChatGPT for these ideas is that it can answer almost any question that we have. So in this case, I want to find out how I can onboard the first 10 customers. It will give me a summary of how to do this in a strategic way. So initially you want to identify your target audience, leverage your current network, so friends, family, business partners, colleagues, offer free trial accounts or discounted accounts online, provide excellent customer service, build a referral program, engage with your customers for feedback, and finally leverage your social media channels and attend industry events. So there is lots and lots of information here about how to find an idea, how to find a name for it, how to find your initial customers. The next step in this process would be to use ChatGPT itself to build this idea and set up the website and then get that hosted online. So that's about it for this video. Hopefully you guys have found this helpful. If you have, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys in the next one.